Zill. In this video, we are going to discuss about while loop, while and boolean expression. If boolean expression is nothing but true and false. If it is true, it enters the inside and it executes statement 1 and statement 2. If while is false, the boolean expression is false, it come out of the while. While loop is nothing but is a looping, is a repeat the block. You all say repeat the block of code as long as the condition is true. Until the condition true, it will be loop. If you see one example like I equals to 1, while 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 the boolean expression is nothing but we can write like comparison statements, relation statement, anything. I'm going with I is less than or equals to like 5, and I want to print I value. Now I is 1, I is less than or equals to 1 is less than or equals to 5, condition true, it's print 1, again 1, again 1. The loop will be repeat until the while loop is false. See, it's continuous one only, never increment. So now we need to do updation of I equals to I plus 1, it becomes 2, 3, 4, 5, and when the I becomes 6, it is going to be fail. When I going to become 6, it's going to fail. While loop in real time we use for the temperature monitoring system. Temperature will change every second, so there we are going to be used. And parking sensors, when we detecting the sensors distance continuously we need to detect, there we use the while loop. Thanks watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video.